Baik, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Aldi Apriyatna. Saya dari Teknik Negeri Indramayu, kelas T4 PM 3B. Di sini saya akan bacakan deskripsi teks tentang milling mesin atau mesin press. Milling machine. Milling machine is a machine that serves to cut or drill solid materials such as metal. This is done by removing the solid debris by means of a high-speed milling cutter and by the movement of the cutting tool. This process in manufacturing term is commonly referred to as the machining process. On the other hand, a milling cutter blade consists of one or more cutting edges, which can remove metal debris as it rotates. There are many types of milling cutter depending on the types of work and application. Here are some examples. Nah, milling machine part. Milling machine part. The next discussion is related to the part of the milling machine, which mainly consists of several components. All parts have an equally important function. The following is an explanation of all parts of the milling machine, including: number 1, main spindle serves to grip the cutting tool and is divided into three types. They are horizontal, vertical, and also universal spindle. Number 2, table serves as a clamping device or a place to place the workpiece to be processed, and has three types. The first is a fixed table, a compound table, and a file table. Number 3, motor drivers, which as the name implies function as a motor or propulsion of other engine parts. There are three motors is this milling machine: the main spindle motor, the feeding movement motor, and the cooling motor. Number 4, transmission. As a function has a relation between the driving motor and the object you want to move. These components are divided into two types based on their function, namely the main spindle transmission and the feeding transmission. Number 5, knee, whose function is support or hold the machine table. Number 6, column or pole is the location for the attachment of other engine part. Number 7, basic, located and button of the machine and the part that support the mass or body. In addition, it is also a part of coolant. Number 8, control is charge of regulating the moving part of the machine. Cukup sekian dari saya.